Hey guys, in this video let's look at the Ptron Bassfest wireless earphones and the truly wireless Ptron Bassbuds. Now these two earphones are heavily bass boosted. So let's look at the first one, which is the Bassbuds earbuds. Now this is a high deep bass with TWS technology for true separation of sounds and is a Bluetooth version 5.0 bass buds. The bass buds has a monobud compatibility as well, which means you can just use one earbud to talk as well as listen to music. These Ptron Bassbuds also supports Google's voice assistant command feature. Now it supports hands-free calling as well, can control music playback, switch between the tracks by pressing the buttons on it. Now the truly wireless earphones comes with a dock to charge the earphones, which is small and compact and gives you an additional hours of playback time. Now it's a 250 mAh charging case and that has a micro USB for charging and has a battery indicator too. Now these bass buds are perfect if you are traveling and don't want to deal with tangling wires and cables. These can also be used in gym and can be your perfect companion since it has a playback time of 4 hours. Now guys, if you are looking for an outdoor kind of activity earphones, like if you are running, jogging or walking outdoors, then the next earbuds from Ptron, which is the BassFest, this can be your perfect companion. These BassFest earphones has high deep bass as the name suggests with Bluetooth 5.0. It also has a 10mm dynamic drivers for loud as well as clean sound. The earphones can be used for hands-free calling. It also has a music control buttons on it. These are designed ergonomically to snugly fit into ears and hence can be used confidently while doing outdoor activities. On the other hand, the wires doesn't hung up on one side since it's light in weight, so it's very comfortable to use it as well. It has about 4 hours of playback time again and charges fully in about 1 hour with provided micro USB cable inside the box. So guys, you can buy these earphones on Amazon.in, to which I will leave a link in the description section of this video. And this is Vivek from Geek channel and I will see you all in another one. Till then, take care everyone.